My name is Geraint and we bought the bakery 5 years ago. We bought it as a tin shed to start off, then we transformed it over to the thatch roof bakery like everybody calls it now. I think it's one of the best things that we've ever done. Yeah, the coastal path is one of the best things that's ever happened to Aberdaron, especially to the Llŷn Peninsula, because it brings so many people down to the village, especially start off first thing in the morning. Doesn't matter when you walk it, it's different every time. Either the sea is different, the colour of the mountain, wind, rain, doesn't matter what, it's always different. I think it's nicer in the winter than in the summer, to be honest with you.